Hi everyone, we are Group A5 and we are working around the experience of students at the University of Antwerp. After considering all your feedback from the midterm presentation, we stopped tabbing with the student cards. Our renewed concept contains two aspects. The first one is a digital platform we will now discuss more in detail. Before making a medium fidelity prototype of the app in Adobe XD, we started sketching out the different functions on the app and tried to make clear of how the four of us sees it in terms of layout and the operation of the different parts.
We started with discussing what the platform needs to offer and ended up with 4 tabs. The first one being Profile gathers personal information. You can complete the questions and tests at any time. By using artificial intelligence, the platform uses this personal information to give you more specific advice in the other tabs. The second tab is called Talk. This one is used to connect with your friends who already scanned your personal QR code, which replaces your student card. Per friend, you can see what aspects you match. When you feel like you need help from school, but you don't know which service to choose, you answer a few questions and the platform suggests which options are best for you. You can also book an appointment right away. The third tab, Activities, shows you activities you might be interested in based on your personal information. For each activity, you can see who of your friends are already going. The last tab is called Community. This one shows what's going on in a student's life. Here you get asked to vote on a question every day. For example, vote for your favorite meal at the comida. You can also learn about students in the spotlight and so on. Now we are busy making the whole application in Adobe XD so we can use it next week for the user tests.
The second aspect is a coffee bar on wheels, named Coffeeclets. The bar on wheels rides through the student district. The goal is to have a recognizable point of contact, namely a barista who is a student for students. He or she makes a deeper conversation with the students who are buying a coffee and promotes the use of the digital platform by asking the same questions as in the tab Community and making the question more discussable. Next week, we are allowed back on campus and we're going to build a low fidelity model and run the user test, for which we already written a script. Thanks for listening and maybe we will see you next week on campus.